back from vacation and I'm playing the new Animal Company update. I just got back.
Okay, so I come outside of a map, because I'm on top of...
He can't do the update, it looks like. My voice is a little down. I had to wake up very early.
You're not at my party? Why'd you leave?
I'm gonna check out the update. I don't have a drill. Can you hear me? You can.
لا احنا ما نسمعك يلا وامشي.
Okay. So, let's see what you get. You get
Anybody want to gamble? Anybody want to gamble?
To see
I'll gamble.
if
Just drop something in front of me and I will give you something.
no. Nothing new here. Wow.
Okay.
Oh, do I have to update my game?
Okay. Okay.
Review for a video.
Wait for your item.
You goop.
What?
You get goop.
Do I have to
Grab it.
update my game? Hold up.
Yo,
Oh,
why?
Yeah,
Why?
I'll pick it up.
Yeah.
There you
Oh,
go,
no.
then.
Good.
Do you want to be in
Yo, I got ooh!
No.
Hey, what's up, Jack?
Yo, can I gamble?
Wait, I just realized something.
Yo, to go fast. Yo. Why? Take this.
Now I'm good.
Bro.
What? There's not even the stage 6 out. Oh, come on, man.
Your mic
It's
is cutting
gonna
out. I can't understand what you're saying.
Yo, shit, Saz. What's up?
Oh, Game Wolf. I'm recording a video right now. I just got back from Wildwood.
What's up? What are you recording about?
Do you want to join me, Gamer Wolf?
I want to gamble.
Sure.
Can someone
Okay.
give me goop? Can
Before I
someone
check out
give
the
me
update,
goop? Put this in there.
join me.
No,
My
you have to give this. Can
Yeah,
someone
I
give
got
me
you.
goop? Can someone give me goop?
Just in case I'm not trying it. I don't want people seeing this when I record it to join it. I'm not trying to join our code. Now I gotta wait for him. Alright.
What's
So if you want, you can get all your materials, because I need to check out this update.
Alright.
First, I'm gonna check out this. I just checked in there. I thought there'd be
What do I
stage
need materials
6.
for?
I swear there'd be stage 6. Anyways, this is funny with the beards. Who are you?
I'm someone's friend in the server.
Doesn't really. Let me just check.
I'm friends with Gamer Wolf.
Oh.
Now I need to get back. I heard there was like a 99 Nights Forest update. So I'm gonna check out
Yeah, there was
that.
a 99 Force update.
Or something like that. I heard about it. Oh my god. What the hell?
You haven't been on a while, so yeah. It's been
Before I
update.
check out all of that, I want to see up here. Looks like a hole up there. There's something that's just out of the map. Yeah, that's out of the map. Whoa, it is a 99 Nights. I feel like it is.
Can you kill me, please?
Oh, this house is sick. I have a question. Can the fire turn on?
The fire has... You have to get wood in order for it to turn on. So hold on.
Oh. Well, while he's doing that, I'm gonna look around. Oh, so they still have. So if you're wondering, they still have over here where the chicken is, right? Yeah. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh shit! I just died. Why is there a timer?
Or don't let that frick.
You don't talk about how I died. Chicken.
It's either day... It's gonna be daytime over there, or it's gonna be night. Alright, so what were you recording a video about?
I'm recording right now.
Oh. Alright.
Anyways, like, what do you mean by wood? Like, wood items like a stick?
I get lunch whenever I use the bomb.
I'm just gonna see.
I'm gonna just leave this right here.
Yeah, he needs sticks. I'm gonna get a couple sticks.
Gamer Wolf, how far do you think I will be launched if I bomb myself?
I know, there you are. Something. but go. Okay. Oh no, why is it night? Wait, why is it night? I forgot what he said.
Yo, can I sell this nut starter?
Wait, why is it night?
You gotta mine and put some wood in order for it.
I already have wood. Oh, you have to mine it, crap. I didn't realize. Dump all of this out. And I didn't know it. Right now, I'm not that sure what I'm doing in this update. This update is really cool. So, oh my god, it's nighttime here too. I'm gonna put this on here so I can put like that. Yeah, I'm gonna get a crowbar just in case. Cause I don't know if you can use anything else. I'm gonna mine it, I wanna see what happens. I wonder why I could have thought of 99 nights. Just like kill me. Oh, don't mind that. Can I even break this? Maybe this one. Why is it not breaking? Break! What? Why is it not breaking? Am I doing something? Oh,
Yo, watch behind these tree men.
oh, what the heck is that? Whoa, 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 no, relax. I'm harmless. Please, is he scared of the light? Oh, the fire is big now. I'm scared. Oh, it's daytime. Good. He left. He was walking this way. He disappears. Oh, hell no. Oh, no. I'm gonna keep mining wood. Did I just die? Can you revive me? It takes too long to get back. Gamer Wolf.
Yeah,
Help
I got.
me. Help me. Help. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh, good. I thought you could hear me. Actually, I'm just gonna get 2. 2 is better. Okay. And oh, this is way better. Oh, so if you mine the bigger trees, you get 2. But if you mine the smaller ones, you get 1. Oh, never mind. Then I guess there's a medium level. Oh. Oh, let's go. You saved my life. I get it. So this gives 1. This probably gives 2. This gives 3. Let's see, right? Does this give 2? Or is it just... Oh, it's 1. Well, I don't care. I'll figure it out. No. I hate you, Armstrong. He has tiny legs. Oh, this is... Oh no, is it nighttime now? No.
Yeah.
That's why there's a tick. Whoa! There's a big fire. I need my backpack. Where's my backpack? Oh, it's in my backpack. Hey, this one's good. No. Oh no. Oh no. I hear him. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Oh, do you get money from this? I don't know. Crackbox. Oh no. Oh! It's not a deer. I thought it was 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 a deer. No. Oh, you suck it. Oh shoot. Fine. Keep going on my bench. That wasn't fun. I have a good idea. This might be actually kind of a stupid idea. Let's see if I can try and kill. What would be a better tool? I'll use drills. First, get as big as him. If I eat any more, I won't fit through here. Or can I? I can eat more. Don't want to. Never mind, thank God I didn't need more. Where's little Timmy? Ah! Yeah. Ow. Where's little Timmy? Oh, I'm actually smaller than him, never mind. Yeah. Oh shoot. Ow, 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 ow. Stop running. Did he just kill me by stepping on me? Oh, that is not a nice way to say stop. I'm getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh. Go, go, go. Ow. Oh. Fight! Oh, jeez. Give me. I see it can't go on your hips long. Good to know. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Do I? No, I'm not gonna mind. I'm not gonna mind. Thinking it's gonna take way too long. Then I'm gonna lose my materials. Then the Armstrongs are gonna backpack. That's big. Oh no! Oh no! Ow! Ow! Oh no! They're playing soccer. Nope! Nope! That one never. No, my backpack's gone. No, my drills. Sweet drillies. There's one. I will fight you. But he was so fast. I'm gonna run. No. I already died. Help, help. I already died. Oh. Yes. Cooking. The fire's about to go out and it's about to be midnight. But I have 7 pieces of broccoli. No, no, no. Ow, you relax. I have my 2 drills. Yo, I'm gonna kill him. I'm gonna have to kill him. He's stuck. He's stuck. Come on, die, 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 die. Ow. Die, 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 die. No, why is he not dying? Die. Can he even die? Can he even die? Stop running. Just taste it. Good boy. No, no, no. Oh, yes, yes, yes. I hear whisper. Did I die?